Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. So here is a story, an experience that I want to share with you guys after moving abroad. I thought this would be helpful for you guys who are living here in Germany, and it is a very heartbreaking story, at least for me. And this started like I wanted to move out from this place. I was looking for a private room, so I went through many Facebook groups, I went through many websites. This took me a day. Then after looking for almost 100 rooms, I decided to go for this. So I found a room for 300 euros. It was a big room, it has all the things that I needed, and the kitchen was awesome. The whole apartment was very good. After thinking for hours, I decided to go with this. This happened on July 9th. That was Thursday, like last Thursday, and I thought I would just go for this room. So I sent a booking request. She accepted in 30 minutes and she asked me to pay the rent, and I just took out the card and made the payment. I didn't even think twice. 300 is not a small amount. It comes up to 25,640. Not a small amount, right? So I made the payment and she asked me for enrollment certificate and also passport. I just gave her. Then she was like, you can go ahead with paying the deposit, that is 850 euros, and I'll be sending contract in a while. I was like, I don't have that much of amount in my card, so I would be paying it tomorrow, and until then you can send me the contract. So I didn't get any reply, so I just dropped another message saying that I just want to have a look of the place because I have a bicycle and few stops. I just want to see if I can place all this comfortably in that apartment. So I didn't get any reply. It was almost end of the day, like 5:30 maybe. So I was like, let me just wait for a day and she might reply tomorrow. I just left it there. So the next day I just checked the website. I didn't get any reply. Like, I was worried, so I just had screenshot of the place, so I sent it to few of my friends. All were like, do not pay without checking the place because there are a lot of scammers here, so you have to check the place personally, then you have to go ahead with the payment. But I was like, I made the payment. I was so worried, and then I went to the website and I checked for the images of the place, and they were removed, and that panicked me more. So I was just like, mera paise to gaye. And then I tried to contact every possible person, like customer care, but they didn't respond me. But it had a cancellation policy, so you have to cancel the place within 48 hours and you'll be refunded the amount. So I dropped email, but Saturday and Sunday the website would be closed. So I thought, how would I cancel it within 48 hours? Then I dropped like 10 to 15 emails, taking all the screenshots, telling that I just want to cancel this and I want my refund. So 2 days were so depressing. I didn't share this with anyone because I don't wanted them to think I'm very responsible and I'm very easy with my decisions. So 2 days I was just waiting for the reply. I tried to contact the customer care, but it was not connecting. I messaged them on the website and I got reply from bot that the responsible person will be replying you on working hours. It was today, so I just woke up. I was waiting for the big reply because I wanted my money back. It is my hard-earned money, and 300 euros, not a joke. The website opens at 10 o'clock. I was waiting. So at 11 o'clock I got reply from there saying that the landlord is trustable, so you can go ahead with the booking of the place. You don't have to worry about it. But I was like, I need to cancel it because I found it very cheesy. So I told them that I have to cancel the booking and I've contacted you within 48 hours, so please help me with cancelling the book. So after having a lot of conversation through mails, they accepted it and I got my refund initiated. I was so panicked for 4 to 5 days. I was not sure if I was getting my money back, and I just want to tell you guys, please talk to people around, ask them before making any decision. People who are living here from longer time, they have experience, because losing money abroad is not a small thing. 1 euro matters, like 1 euro is equal to 84-85 rupees. So please be very careful of the scam websites. Be very careful with your money. Don't just transfer your money. So just think of losing 300 euros, like 25,000, in just one transfer. So be very careful. And this is what I wanted to share with you guys. So this has taught me a lot. So always be very careful with your money. And this is my experience of booking a house online. I hope you guys enjoyed and liked this. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.